Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to work with numbers in Python. So now, let's just create a new file. I'm going to right click and this time I'm going to name this as number.py. So here we got a new one and it asks if I want to add it to my Git so that I can push it into the GitHub, and just add that one as well. So now let's just try to give you an example. Let's say I want to print out some number. So let's say this time around print out 60. And once so right here it just print out this one. I need to select this file right here. So here you can see that the number show us 60. And also, if you want to print out the float number, you can do that as well. Just say print 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like that. And when you run it, you will see that it also supports the float number here as well. Next one I want to show you, which is just put like a minus in front of that. And again, let's just run this application. And you can see that we can also print out the one that is less than a 0, which is minus 200 in this case. Okay, so next one I want to show you, which is say I want to put like 100 times 2, and then probably let's just show you right here equal to 200, and I want to plus maybe 100 right here. So once I click on this, what it does, it will try to grab this, it try to calculate this one first, which is 200 plus 100. But what if I want to add these two first? So that means we have to put the parentheses just like that. So what this does this time, it will try to 2 plus 100, which is 102 times 100 right here, and this is the result. So what I show you right here, this is called something like it can be board mass or bit mass or PEMDAS. So this is basically the order of operation in mass, just as you can see here, and it stands for the first one here, board mass. Basically these are all the same thing and the same purpose. Right here you can see as well, this stands for like bracket, order, divisions, multiplication, addition, and subtraction, which is stand for this one right here. And the other is bracket, indices, divisions, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. And last one here, which is the parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, which stand for PEMDAS. So this is basically, like I said, the order of operation in math. And quickly show you right here, this have here as well, this meaning that this is the first order, the first one, and followed by this I indices or the exponent, and right here this will be the last one, which is the subtraction. Okay, so now we have looked into this, and next one I want to show you, which is the modulus operator. So I want to print something else. So let's say, for example, 20 mod 3. So this is pronounced as 20 mod 3, or this, what it does, basically, again, I want to run this application to show you what the result is. This brings us to number 2. So this basically it take the first number divided by the second number, and then it split out the remainder, which in this case the remainder of 2, or I can just put 10 right here, going to bring us to 1, which is the remainder of 1. Okay, so this is the other one, which is the modulus operator. Next one I want to show you. So this case I want to probably just declare a variable I'm going to store like number 10 into this variable, and I want to print this one out. So right here I print my num, and it just show me this number 10. But what if I want to print something out, like say number and then plus the value right here, which is 10. Then right here, let's just click on this. You would probably see that this is the error message that we get, because we cannot concatenate the string with the data type of integer. So that's an issue. What we're going to do right now is to convert this into a string as well. So there's a function to do that, which is str, stand for string. So now we convert this value, this variable or data type, into the string data type. So now we get the result as we expected. So this is another one. Now I want to show you another one, which is the absolute value. So absolute value, again, I just want to declare my num equal to, say, minus 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I want to print this out. There's a function which is abs, stand for, again, absolute value. I'm going to call the my num. So what this does, whatever that it contains the minus in front of here, it will convert it into the positive, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Or I can just add in more here as well. Let's say dot 13, and here you can see we got the just the value without the minus in front of it. So this is the absolute value. Next one here is the power. So power, let's say I want to print out something, and the function is the POW. I want to give two numbers, which is in the case 2 with 5. So this means 2 to the power of 5. So here we got the result, which is 32. 32, I'm going to comment this out. So what this does, it just try to do 2 multiplied by 2 like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, it just time it like this, and this is the result that we get. This is the power. Next one going to show you is the min and max. So I want to find the maximum value. I'm going to choose 100, 200 and run it, and the result is 200. What if in this case I put like 999? Then of course it shows us the largest number, which is 900 and 900. It can take as many as parameter you want. You can just put it like that, as in here. Next one, similar to this one, it's just the opposite, which is mint. 100, 200, 800, and maybe this time 700, and run it. The result is 100. And what if I put 0 right here? It just show me the minimum value, which is number 0. So that's the other function I want to show you. One more, I think there's a few more. So this time I want to show you the round. So the function here is called round. Let's say in this case I want to put 4.1. So it will round this down to just number 4. And how about the 4.6? So here it just round up. This time it round up to number 5. And what if I put like 4.5? Then it just round down. This means that whenever that the number here, say 123.6, then it will just round up. So this is what it does. It can be round up or down. And the next one, which is another one that require the library. So this time we need to import something, and I want to comment all of this out. So I'm going to comment that, and I want to import the module or the library. So we can just use something like this: from math import all. I mean, the star here, I mean everything. And I want to print the floor, this case 100 to whatever the number behind it, like that. And for this one, it just take the first part right here. So this is what the function does. And I can just show you maybe one more, which is maybe 10.123, and here it just take out the first part, which is the number 10. So this is the floor. One more function here is the seal. So what seal does, this one, let's just put a value 30.1, and for this one, it just try to round a number up. So it doesn't matter whether this is like .1 or .5 or .6, as I show you in the round function here, but this one, it just try to round a number up. So that's another one. Next one is the square root. So let's say I print out the sqrt, and I want to have the, say, the square root of probably 256. Okay, so here the square root is equal to 16. So this is the square root of 256, or maybe I can just put like 1024. It's just like the memory that we have. So just an example, like this time this is equal to 32. So what about if the square root is not exactly these things? It's not exact, like say 32 or 16. Then what we get here, we just got the large number, which is the decimal point behind this. And I just want to also mention that for the seal, this is the type is the int. I'm going to quickly show you here as well. And as well as this one, the type, I want to see what type are they. So for the seal, the type is integer, and this one here, the square, it is the float. So now we have a look of quite a few. The next one I want to show you, which this one probably the last one. I want to show you the pi. So print out pi and run this. So this is the pi, 3.14 blah blah blah. And quickly show you another one, which is the import statement here. We can just try to import it like this. So import math, and then we can just call whatever value that we want. So let me just cut this and paste it right here. But if you use something like this, import math, what you have to do, you have to also add the math keyword in front of the function that you call here as well. So here we get the same result, as well as, let's say I want to call another one, which is this floor right here. Cut that and paste it right here. So I need to add the math.floor. So now we also get the result that we expected. So that's how we declare or try to import the library or the module into the Pythons. And also the reason that we want to import it is because some of the functions, say like seal, square, or floor, or pi, it does require the import, while some of these are not required. And if you don't import that, you will have the issue. So say if I want to comment this out, and the result that we see is that it is not defined. So that's how we try to use the function, math function in the Python programming language. I hope you learn a lot from this tutorial. And before finish this video, I want to also show you like a list of Python math function as well. Okay, so here there's a list of that. I did show you some of it, like say this one seal. We have like cost here as well. Floor here I did show you, and there's a lot more. And this is the pound. We have square root of a number, and more here. This one I did show you as well, the pi. And again, if you have any question, just let me know. Otherwise, see you guys in the next video.